Let's get the business news now. Plans are underway to establish 4 informal manufacturing hubs in Voi, Mombasa, Nakuru and Kisumu to support innovators. According to Chief Administrative Secretary for the Ministry of Industrialization, Trade and Enterprise Development David Osany, the incubation centers will give impetus to manufacturing by reducing operational costs for small businesses and in turn boost job creation and the economy.
There are 4 Biashara centers across the country. The Biashara Center principle was anchored on the same principle that runs the Huduma Center, only that this is a Huduma Center for businesses.
Currently, Nairobi County hosts the first informal manufacturing hub, Kariobangi Light Industries.
We've actually made it into a Biashara Center where you can go in and find all our 18 parastatals seated and waiting to assist you. You can ask all the questions and get them. Be that as it may, there has been very huge investment in equipment at our Biashara Center in Kariobangi.
Local manufacturers have been urged to take advantage of the manufacturing hub that is gaining traction for producing a wide range of machinery, including posho mills.
We have plans to expand the Biashara centers to all counties. Preliminarily, we hope that we will be able to get to 10 counties first. But we don't even want to go to those 10 counties until we have ensured that the 4 counties where we have established them are functioning and working properly.
The centers aim at inclusion of entrepreneurship training to boost capacity and address challenges of industrial growth. Beneficiaries will receive training in production processes and in preparing viable business plans for prospective investors to tackle the challenge of finding seed capital. Regina Manyar reporting for Lunchtime News.